Hi friends, this is Gail ONeill, and I teach stamping. I hope you enjoy. Featuring today is the springtime foils. They are awesome. So much you can do with these. I did post a couple cards that I had done the other day. This in particular I did with crayon, and then put, in the background, and then when you wipe off the crayon, your color does not go on where you color. That was this card. I hope I'm in the right spot. I am like really not together tonight. So this was all colored with white crayon, and then I just took the ink pad and went over it, and then you wipe it again with a cloth, and wherever you put the crayon, it's a resist technique, so that doesn't get any of the color on it. Springtime foils also, this was something I was working on. This I just took a sponge with color and colored it in the background. Let me just move these. And then my intent was to put this together like that, and then just take a simple greeting for a simple card using DSP. Here was another one that I did. I'll move that out of the way. Hi, Ted. Nice to see you. My daughter's here too. Nice. So this was another card. Now this one on the DSP, I took the alcohol marker, the blends, and I just colored the white section of it. You could do the same thing in the leaves. It's really fun paper, and this paper can be earned for free during Celebration. So the card I'm going to make tonight, and everything is just such a mess. I had an unexpected trip today to go help a friend, so we did that, and then I got home really late. So we're using the gray background, and this is just a piece of cardstock cut in half, scored 4 1/4, and then folded over. The silver, and you'll notice this piece that I'm using, rather than wasting, this is going to be in the background, so I cut this piece out of there, so you're saving a little bit of paper. Butterfly. This is out of, let's see if I brought it over here. Yep. Okay, this is from the Move Me Thinlits, and it's got a hummingbird, and what this is meant to do is you can take the butterfly or the hummingbird, and when you stamp it, it would go behind the piece that you cut out of this, and then you can move it and it would like flutter. But we're just using the butterfly part, and what this does, like to cut this piece, I used this piece, and then to cut the silver, you use both pieces, put it on top of your cardstock, and then run it through the Big Shot. So that's going to be on this. And this is seriously just simple stamping. So we're going this way. I'm hardly stamping tonight. It's really just putting a card together. So that's empty. So I'm going to take this and just glue it to this piece. And the other one. And again, you could, color it, do more to it, but I promised I'd be showing you simpler things for a while, because a lot of people are very new to stamping. I'm using the ribbon that got lost on my desk. Love it. Now this ribbon is also free with a $50 order. It's a set of 3, so there's 3 different colors. I'm using this one, and I'm going to do my favorite cheat bow. And I just take something round and tie it. And it's just tying a simple knot. And you want the ugly part of the knot to be on the bottom like this. You slide this off and then cut it off, and I have way too much. And then this piece you just cut in a diagonal. And then you can tighten it. So you'll have a perfectly flat bow. And I'm just going to take a glue dot and put it on the bottom there. And then this gets taped put a little tape on the back. Okay, so the part of the stamping that I am going to do is we're going to take this Happy Birthday stamp, and I borrowed this from ONeill Birthday, which is another nice set. That was where that other big Happy Birthday came from. And I'm just going to put that on the block and hope it sticks, or I got to find my magic glue. And take a little bit of black ink and stamp it on this oval piece. Okay, and then this, make sure it's dry, no fingerprints. This piece goes on to that piece that I cut out of the background paper. Love the silver foil, gold, copper we have it in. And then I'm going to take a few dimensionals, put on the back of that. And that slipped. And then I'm going to put that, oh, I should have reversed that. I'm going to put that right over there. So we're going to have 2 different cards. I'll show you what the other one was going to look like. And then this, so there's no mistakes in stamping. It can always do something else. And this actually looks good just like that for a quick, simple card. And there's a couple pieces. You get these little pieces that you have to poke out. I'm not all pokeyed. Okay, so we're going to glue that onto that. Glue. And then we're going to put that over there and add a little gem to that, just to dress it up a little bit. And then this goes on to the basic gray cardstock, like so. voila, a quick, easy card. So this was the original one that I did real quick when I got home. And this is the one we ended up with because I put the paper down in reverse and didn't have enough room down here. But like I said, you can always do something else. I love stamping. There's no mistakes. It's all good. Here's something I was playing with yesterday. I didn't make a card out of it yet, but it's all fun. I just love it. Leave me some messages, what you want to see. Hi, Sue. Didn't see you come in. Hi, Lori. You can leave me messages, what techniques you would like to see. I'm going to come on tomorrow night. I'll be a little bit more prepared. Not sure what I'm going to do again. If there's something special you really want to see, just, like I said, leave me a comment, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.